Hello everyone! Today I will share what I think is my best Brussels sprouts recipe yet. I call them popcorn Brussels sprouts because we eat them like popcorn. And if you're on a keto diet, you will love this recipe because it's great for upping your fats while still eating your greens. I will put all the macros in the description for those of you who are scientific about it. And this recipe is enough for 2 side dishes or 1 main dish. Start by preheating 4 tablespoons of olive oil or avocado oil in a frying pan under medium heat. Then arrange the Brussels sprouts halves with the cut side facing down. And just a side note, if you have just washed the sprouts, the oil will splatter, so make sure to wash them a couple of hours ahead of time. And I don't wash the ones I get from Costco because they're vacuum sealed and they look pretty clean to me, but this is your decision to make. I usually use 7 large Brussels sprouts or 12 to 14 smaller ones, and I cut them in halves. After you've arranged the Brussels sprouts, spray them with either avocado or olive oil spray, add a pinch of kosher salt, a pinch of black pepper, cover the pan and let the Brussels sprouts saute for about 2 to 3 minutes or until the bottoms are golden brown, and this is the color we're looking for. Next, lower the burner to almost low, add 3 tablespoons of pine nuts in between the Brussels sprouts, and I get those from Costco, the deal is pretty good. And also pour over the Brussels sprouts 6 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. Cover the pan and let them simmer for 10 minutes. And this is the rate of simmering we're looking for, slow and quiet and definitely not boiling. After 10 minutes, set the burner all the way down to low and using a fork carefully flip all the Brussels sprouts halves over, cover the pan and let them simmer for another 10 minutes. I can honestly say that those are the best Brussels sprouts I've ever had, and a very special thank you to Timri for the heavy whipping cream suggestion. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if so, please give the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please ask. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. As always, thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Goodbye.